Oh hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own super cool and nice server in Discord. Like all of the roles, all of the bots, all of the categories, all of that what you need to know. So first let's make a server. You need to click here. There's a add server. Click there, create the server, name like, I don't know, test server, yeah, and then you can add icon if you want, but we are not going to do that right now. So we go in and we don't need, okay, you can here invite your friends and stuff. We are not going to do that. Okay, first it jobs or sends me in the voice chat. We just click here, disconnect. Okay, and now we are here. First let's make some categories, like right click in the black area here and create the category, and we should like welcome category. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Welcome, yeah. Create the category. Now it's going to be here. You just click and drag it up and press this create the channel. Now it's going to be a text channel, so we put here welcome, and you should probably get the welcome category down there, the rules, what they have to follow, so they are right here. Okay, now just let's make a new category, what's going to be for a music bot, and it's going to be, I don't know, like music, maybe music, yeah, that's probably the best. Okay, music, let's slide here and let's make a yeah, the text channel, bot commands, bot commands, yeah, or okay, and then you need to press that, and here it is. Now let's make here voice channel, and it's going to be music. Let's create that, it's here. And now let's get the roles. If you want to get roles, you here's the server name and the arrow was pointing down. You click there and it's server settings. You click there, and why it is in the Russian, I'm living in Europe, so yeah, save changes down here. And now role is here, and let's make a role like I don't know, YouTuber, and let's make it red, cause YouTubers are red. I don't know, display, yeah, always you need to click that, then it is like that. I don't know, YouTuber, then just save changes. And now I'm going to put myself in a YouTuber role. You right click on the person, click roles, and here's the YouTuber, and now my name is Red and I am YouTuber. that's how you make roles. So if you wanna add bots, then you go to new tab and add like me, EE and 6. Let's just go there. I will leave all of them things in the description, all of the links, so you can just click there and it's going to get you in this place. Okay, you click add to Discord and it's going to be test server. Set up the me6. Okay, test server, yes, continue. Yeah, you need to have him give him everything here, and you click this. I don't know what it means, but you just click there. I'm not a robot, you need to click that, and he or the robot just joined here. And let's make a new role for the bots, like server settings, roles, add role, and it's going to be bot. I like to make it big. Okay, I usually put my bots to yellow, and bots can't do everything, so let's just to do that. Every single thing here. Wait. Okay, and save his changes. And now let's click here and roles and bot. And now he's bot. Okay. Custom commands, you can do that. Levels, music, like everything like that. I don't know, you should you can add your YouTube. Let's add our YouTube. Yes, our channel is Giveyeeto. Subscribe if you're not already, and just let it be like that. Yeah, Giveyeeto. Okay, play. Select the channel. It's going to be in welcome. Select that and save. If you wanna add more channels, you need to have premium. Like you need to buy that. And now it's ready. Right now it's welcome. There is nothing. Okay, chat. Okay, and now let's add a what bot it is, I don't remember. The rhythm bot. It's going to add you a music or something. I need, and you need to add attend bot. I will give you the link in the description to this bot too. Okay, and now add to the Discord. To server, test server, continue. Yes, I'm not the robot, I'm real version, I think so. Okay, and now it is we actually forgot one thing. Me6. Let's go that to Discord bot. Add Discord again, I think. Go dashboard. We need to add welcome to. That's like send message when a user joins the server. Yeah, that's the what message you should like. Hey user, welcome to server. Okay, like that. Yeah, and save changes. select channel, welcome channel like usual, and save changes, and that's it. Okay, now we got a music. If you go to the music and then put commands, you need to type like I don't know what mark it is, but it is something, and press P. It's like play. I don't know what song we should play. Okay, it's going to play something, and then when you don't want, then you put this mark again and say pause, then it's like stops. Okay, and let's just disconnect here, and let's make this guy a bot, and one thing more, I'm customer record music help heroes mother. Something is wrong. Wait. Oh, nope. Everything is alright. Okay. Now let's add sensor bot. It ain't let you use bad words. Sensor bot. Let's just do that here. Sensor bot. I typed it wrong. Okay, now invite, you need to click here. What server? Yeah, test server. Continue. Yep. And I'm not a robot. And yeah, he's in, or it is in. He sends you a nice message. I just will say no pro, and let's just send it to him. He don't reply, or he don't reply. Okay, and now he's in, and in welcome the MEE6 bot says yeah, welcome. So let's make him bot 2. Bot, and that's going to be it. I think you can make yourself every channel here, create a channel, text or voice here, and create a category, click there, and now yeah, invite people, hide mute channels, yeah, like everything you can do here and here. With those people, yeah. In my server there is some bots, but I know the RB server there is like so many bots, like bots. So I have one admin. Offline are those things. If they are offline and they are not in categories, then like they need to be that. So yeah, something in easing. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, it's if you make your if you make this bot to which linked with your YouTube channel, it's giving everybody this message here. So yeah, I just uploaded a new video. Sorry, you probably have seen it. Okay, and friends, YouTuber owner, and one YouTuber is here more, but he's not their owner. He's just a YouTuber. I have like 6 those rules. You can add like member role and those things, but I think that's it for the Discord, cause it's pretty easy. I just learned how to do it. Okay, and don't you forget to subscribe. yeah. And Giveyeeto is out.